this is only one of the palace ng Sultan dito. Yan. Ngayon is susubukan na nating lakarin kung kaya nating lakarin, kasi if we will go by taxi or by the bus, we will not enjoy the scenery. Hindi natin siya masyado makikita. So for now, I'm walking. Continuously walking, and I don't know where this road will bring me, kasi lakad lang ako ng lakad, and I'm not checking any map kung pasaan ito papunta. Pero I think naman it will lead me to Muttrah still, and this is very old city, kaya maliit lang siya. And what amazes me is parang within 50 to 60 steps is puro mosque, kaliwat kanan ang mosque. And siguro dahil nga this is a small city, and as you can see from here, medyo marami at dikit-dikit ang mga bahay, so maybe that's why marami at nag tabi-tabi ang mga mosque. Dahil nga sa siguro dahil this one old city, see, this one is an empty house, wala nang nakatira, but for sure these are for rent, pero walang nagre-renta. We're going there, may park doon, and then I think we'll cross the road, and as you can see the houses down the mountain. Pero it's not like there in the Philippines na hindi safe tumira sa baba ng bahay, kasi it will might causes landslide. But here, dahil ang bundok is mostly stones, kaya it is safe. So cross na tayo ng road para mapuntahan natin yung park doon. Sarap ng hangin. As you can see doon sa back ko, meron na namang lookout tower. Yan, lakad-lakad pa rin tayo and enjoy the dates tree na andiyan. And see, even if we are in the Middle East and this is desert, they highly maintained the greenery. See the grass and the dates that are here. Sobrang green siya. It's windy and I'm sweating. See the lookout tower, if you're seeing that. See, there's another mosque there, and there's the lookout tower. I just hope tama yung dinadaanan natin. And from my back is the entrance gateway to the old city, the old Muscat. Ayan siya. I'll give you a better view. we're still walking and basang-basa na ako ng pawis, but it's okay kasi this is the first time in my 7 years here in Oman na nakagala ng ganito, na as in na-enjoy ko yung bawat lugar, bawat view, kasi nga we are not having a car na yung pupunta lang talaga dun sa destination. So today, dahil nga I'm alone, I decided to walk kasi kumbaga may enjoy ko yung moment and wala akong maabalang tao if I walk or no. Kung mapagod man ako, I can stop and ayun, we're going Muttrah right now and it's very windy naman. And for me, I think the temperature here is cooler than what we're having in Philippines right now. Ayan, and as you can see, I'm walking here na puro puno. And I am seeing already the beach side. And I am seeing already the Riyam garden. Kasi I am seeing that incense burner. If you can see that, it looks far away sa camera, but malapit na lang siya. And if you see that incense burner, it means you are already in Muttrah kasi it's the landmark here. And I'll show you again ng view na nakikita ko while walking. Tingnan natin ang Riyam Garden, pero hindi tayo aakyat sa Riyam Garden kasi basang-basa na tayo ng pawis, and our aim is only to show you Muttrah. So ayun ang Riyam. May hagdan siya pataas pero hindi tayo aakyat doon kasi we will just walk through it. We are already in Muttrah, and before nakakaakyat dun sa tower na yon kasi it has this stairs, but siguro ginagawa siya, the road going there is closed, so maybe I cannot show you. Ang ganda pa naman ng lugar na yon kasi from there you can see the full view of Muttrah. Ayan, pero as of now dito na lang tayo sa Corniche, and as you can see, Riyam Garden is showing, pati ang Riyam Amusement Park, and it's already open kasi it's almost 4 o'clock. Mag-open na ang park, and as you can see, tumatakbo na yung ibang rides doon, and this is the view of the Corniche. Here is decorated with marble carvings like that. Ang dami. Siguro ang marble carvings dito na ganun is more than, ayan, you can see the amusement park. The rides is already moving kahit wala pa namang tao. Nandito na tayo sa Muttrah and I'll show you kung ano ang makikita niyong view dito.